Have you ever wondered what Earth looks like from the vast expanse of space? Imagine for a moment, you're not bound by gravity, no longer tethered to the ground beneath your feet. You find yourself floating above, looking down at our home planet from the celestial wilderness of the cosmos. As your eyes adjust to this new perspective, the vibrant blues of our world's oceans come into focus. These vast bodies of water, covering about 70% of the Earth's surface, shimmer like a sapphire under the sun's radiant light. From this bird's eye view, they are a poignant reminder of the Earth's nickname, the Blue Planet. Next, your gaze drifts to the green and brown patches, an intricate tapestry woven by nature. These are our continents, our forests, our mountains, our deserts. They are the land masses that have cradled civilizations, the arenas where the drama of life has played out for millions of years. Swirling around these land masses and oceans, you notice the ethereal white formations. They are not static, but dynamic, changing their shape and size as if they are alive. These are the clouds, the Earth's weather in action, a dance choreographed by the forces of nature. And then there's the Earth's spherical shape, an almost perfect sphere, but not quite, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. A shape sculpted by the forces of rotation and gravity over billions of years. It's a humbling sight, this sphere, a reminder of our place in the universe. But perhaps the most striking feature from this vantage point is the thin blue line encircling our planet. This is our atmosphere, a fragile veil of gases that sustains life on Earth. It's what separates us from the harsh, unforgiving environment of space, a protective blanket that keeps us safe. From space, Earth appears as a peaceful, vibrant sphere teeming with life. A breathtaking view that only a handful of people have been privileged to see firsthand. But thanks to advancements in technology, we can all catch a glimpse of our beautiful planet from beyond our atmosphere. Imagine for a moment seeing our world from the moon's perspective. Envision Earth not as a vast expanse under your feet, but a celestial body suspended in the void of space. A vibrant sphere of blues and greens, punctuated by swirling white clouds, spinning in the black expanse of the universe. This is the vision captured in the iconic blue marble image taken by Apollo 17 in 1972. Beholding our planet from this viewpoint profoundly shifts our perspective. Suddenly, the Earth isn't just an abstract concept or a solid ground beneath us. It's a living, breathing entity, vulnerable and alone, floating in the cosmic ocean. The blue marble image was a wake-up call, a poignant reminder of Earth's fragility and the unity of life it harbors. This solitary globe, our home, is all we have. It's all we've ever had. From space, the borders that divide nations, the walls that separate us, vanish. The lines drawn on maps, the boundaries that have sparked wars and fueled centuries of conflict are invisible. From the moon, there are no countries, no divisions, no us and them. Just a single unified world teeming with life in the cold void of space. The image of the blue marble is more than just a photograph. It's a symbol, a message from the cosmos itself. It whispers to us about our shared humanity and our shared destiny. It tells us that we are all passengers on the same ship, sailing through the star-studded sea of the universe. It implores us to cast aside our differences, to pull together, to ensure the survival and prosperity of our one and only home. Looking at the blue marble, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe and humility. We are but tiny specks on a small blue dot, lost in the vast cosmic arena. Yet it's on this blue dot that we've built civilizations, explored the mysteries of the universe, and dreamed of distant stars. From this perspective, the human-made boundaries that divide us seem insignificant, don't they? From up here, it's clear that we are one world, one people spinning together through the cosmos. But what happens when the sun sets on our world? The view of Earth during the night is a spectacle that is as breathtaking as it is illuminating. As the sun dips below the horizon and darkness blankets our world, an entirely different perspective comes to life. From space, the night side of Earth is a dazzling display of human habitation. City lights that sparkle and twinkle in the darkness are like a constellation of human presence, a testament to our ability to harness energy and light up the world. From the dense, bright clusters representing sprawling urban centers to the solitary specks marking remote settlements, these lights paint a fascinating picture of our species' distribution and impact. But this spectacle of lights is not without its drawbacks. Light pollution, a consequence of excessive and misdirected artificial light, obscures our view of the stars from Earth. The Milky Way, once a common sight in night skies around the world, is now hidden from the eyes of nearly 1/3 of humanity. This loss, while aesthetic, also has implications on our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Yet, there is more to the night side of Earth than city lights. Astronauts often recount the mesmerizing view of thunderstorms from space. Imagine torrents of rain, flashes of lightning, and the rumbling of thunder, all witnessed from above. These natural light shows, partially hidden beneath the cloud cover, provide a stark contrast to the steady glow of city lights. The dark side of Earth is a world of contrasts, a blend of human influence and natural phenomena. It's a testament to our existence, our advances, and the challenges we face. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, small yet significant, fleeting yet impactful. As day turns into night, our planet puts on a light show that is nothing short of spectacular. How does our home planet look as it changes with the seasons? This question brings us to a fascinating exploration of Earth as it dances through the celestial rhythm of the seasons. From the unique vantage point of space, our blue marble reveals a stunning spectacle of transformation, a testament to the dynamic nature of our living planet. As the Earth orbits the Sun, the tilt of its axis causes the Sun's light to strike different parts of the Earth more directly during different times of the year. This is the primary cause for our changing seasons, and it's a grand spectacle when viewed from space. In the polar regions, the ebb and flow of ice is one of the most visually striking changes. During the local winter, the polar ice caps expand dramatically, turning the poles into white, frosty wonderlands. Conversely, in the summer months, the ice retreats, revealing the dark ocean and land beneath. This rhythmic dance of ice is a vital part of Earth's climate system. Moving towards the equator, we see the color palette of the Earth change with the seasons. In regions where deciduous trees are prevalent, we can see a visual symphony of colors, from the lush greens of spring and summer to the burst of oranges, yellows, and reds in autumn, before falling to the barren browns of winter. Then there's the shifting weather patterns. The swirling clouds that we see from space are visual representations of Earth's weather in motion. As the seasons change, these patterns shift, bringing about the cyclical weather conditions we experience throughout the year. Satellites orbiting Earth have been recording these changes for decades, providing us with invaluable data. By observing and studying these patterns, scientists can better understand our planet's climate system, its weather patterns, and how they are changing over time. Our Earth is constantly changing, a living planet in the vastness of space. It's a dynamic and vibrant world, and from space, we can truly appreciate the beauty and complexity of these changes. As we continue to explore and understand our place in the universe, let's remember that this is our home, our only home. It's up to us to take care of it. From space, we can see the impact of human activity on our planet. Can you imagine what that might look like? From this vantage point, the signs of our presence are unmistakable. We see the sprawling, radiant grid of cities pulsing with the lives of billions. These urban expanses, though a testament to our ingenuity, also serve as a stark reminder of the natural landscapes that once flourished where concrete now reigns. Moving our gaze, we find vast patches of land stripped bare, the scars of deforestation laid bare for all the cosmos to see. Once lush and teeming with life, these areas now stand silent and desolate, a haunting testament to our insatiable appetite for resources. We also witness the ominous swirls of pollution, both in our waters and in our atmosphere. These murky tendrils reach out, a grim ballet of our disregard for the environment. They stain our blue marble, marring its pristine beauty with evidence of our negligence. Yet, as we take in this sobering spectacle, we must remember that it is not a foregone conclusion. Each of us has a role to play in the stewardship of our planet. Small actions like reducing our waste, recycling, and supporting sustainable industries can have a significant cumulative impact. The view from space also serves to remind us of our interconnectedness. The borders that seem so significant from the ground vanish from this perspective. We're all part of the same ecosystem, the same global community. What happens in one corner of the world can have ripple effects that touch us all. It's a wake-up call, a reminder that we are not separate from our environment, but a part of it. We have the power to shape our planet's future, to ensure that the next generation inherits a world worth living in. From space, the fragility of our home planet is clear. It's up to us to protect it. Our world, as seen from space, offers a perspective like no other. We've journeyed beyond our atmosphere, marveled at the blue marble we call home, and glimpsed its elusive dark side. We've seen the Earth change, reminding us of its fragility and dynamism. We've understood that this planet is our responsibility, a responsibility to preserve its beauty and life. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, that's how we appear in the vast expanse of the universe, a blue marble in the sea of stars.